Buses, trucks, and cars, when not driven and handled properly, when the driver doesn't abide by the rules of the road, become dangerous instrumentalities. Accidents involving trucks, buses, and automobiles injure pedestrians, injure passengers on buses, injure people crossing the street, or people inside a car. If you have had such an accident and need our help, call us or visit our website. We are here to help you. My law firm is Alvin H. Broom and Associates. We are located in the heart of New York City in downtown Manhattan. We have years of experience in representing very seriously injured clients in these kinds of major lawsuits. My office is here to help you when you and your family or a loved one needs our help.